morning weather with meteorologist Natalie Stoll.
Well, just look at this. Amarillo woke up to snow this morning and more than just a few flurries. The snow caused tree limbs to fall and power outages for some 5,000 customers. Now, this system that brought this weather to Amarillo and to portions of the Panhandle also moving through central Texas. Of course, our temperature is much, much warmer, so all the wet weather we're seeing falling as rain this evening. Started out as pretty heavy thunderstorms east of Austin in eastern Travis County. Now, though, as that the front has pushed further east, we're looking at just scattered light shower activity over Bastrop County. Some of that now making its way into Fayette County near LaGrange. The heaviest rain, though, still in eastern Caldwell County. A pretty heavy shower there at this moment. And these will continue to push east as we go through the rest of the overnight hours and slowly weaken as well before they clear our area by early tomorrow. Now, a little bit wider view, you can see this front has moved east of the Austin area, sparking some of that wet weather all the way up into Arkansas. It's all part of a much larger system, an area of low pressure over eastern Kansas this evening. So if we go hour by hour through the rest of your forecast for tonight through tomorrow, here's what you can expect. By tomorrow morning, the bulk of this wet weather will all be east of us. We could continue to see some patchy drizzle, maybe some light rain in our eastern counties early, but by the afternoon, that will all clear. We'll be left with partly sunny skies. As well as this northerly flow bringing in some much, much cooler air. Things, though, are going to change a little bit as we go into Sunday. On top of this cooler air at the surface, we're going to see warmer air in the upper levels of the atmosphere overrun it. This will give us the possibility for overcast skies as well as some very patchy drizzle and light rain almost all day long. Now, our model's not picking it up great as far as the rain activity. It brings in the cloud cover, but there is that possibility for some very patchy drizzle, patchy light rain for most of the day on Sunday. Some of this even lingering into your Monday morning as well. Now, behind the front that we've already seen temperatures falling drastically. In the hill country, we're down to the low 50s in places like Mason, San Saba, mid-50s in Llano and Lakeway, still upper 50s through Bastrop. You notice LaGrange now has dropped its temperature too as that front has rolled through that area. So these temperatures overnight are going to be much cooler than what we woke up with this morning. Right now, 58 with overcast skies out at Camp Mabry, overcast 58 at ABIA. You notice the dew points have dropped as well. That's a little bit drier air working in behind that front. Our winds out of the north are breezy, 15 to 20 miles an hour. They'll stay breezy until that front pulls a little bit further away from central Texas. Tonight, here's what you can expect temperature-wise. Low 40s in the hill country, upper 40s in the metro area, upper 40s, low 50s in the eastern counties, mid-60s across the board. If you're heading to the football game tomorrow evening, 7 p.m. kickoff, bundle up. Temperatures are dropping to upper 50s. By the time the game ends, it's going to be much, much cooler. The rain will end for the rest of the night, dropping down to 49 here in town. Partly sunny for the day tomorrow, 66 degrees. And for your 7-day forecast, there's that 40% chance for some light rain. On Monday, 20% chance of rain early, then just mostly cloudy for the rest of the day. Through the rest of your week, you're going to see temperatures very chilly overnight, very pleasant through the afternoons.